Hi Dress New Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Charlie Brown. So let's get started. To draw a cute Charlie, let's first start by drawing his ear. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw a C. So right here, draw this big curve, this big C, and then from there I'm going to basically draw a big oval for his head. So I'm going to come up right here, and this part is going to be a lot taller. So come about right there, nice and round. And don't worry, you can make his head, if his head's a little bit shorter or longer, it doesn't really matter. But your goal is to just get this big ovalish head shape in. There, so I'm just drawing this big curve. You can start with this first and then put in the ear if that's easier for you. And then now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and continue. So just making sure that my bottom is a little bit, so now this is my ear right here, the ear level at the bottom, and then about right here, I'm just going to make this part a little bit shorter. So this part is a lot taller. The top of his head, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect. So like I said, if your oval is a little bit taller or shorter, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so there, just basic shape. Then from there, I'm going to go right across. So your ear line right here, we'll go right across, and we're going to draw the other ear. Draw another curve right on this side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the nose and eyes. So the nose is going to kind of end at this ear level right here. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to come about, so my nose is going to be about right here. So I'll come about right here in the center. And I'm just going to draw this roundish, squarish curve and just bring it down to create his nose. Then I'm going to come to the sides of it, and about right here, we'll draw a circle for his eye. And I'll give it a little highlight and then shade everything else in. So same thing here, but this eye is going to be a lot closer, so about right here, closer to the nose, this curve right here. And once again, a little highlight and shade it in. There. And then I'm going to come to the top. Wait, actually, no, let's come to the side, and I'm going to draw a curve around his eye. So say about right here. Just draw a curve, and same thing here. Curve, and then his brow. So right on top of his eye, just going to draw this little teardrop shape that comes down. So same thing here. There. And then very important, we need to draw that little wiggle for his hair. So right in the center, let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to come out and towards the center, wiggle one big loop, and then come right back up. There, fix it. There. Now we have his hair in. Now let's give him a big smile. So I'll come back to kind of where his ears are, and I'll just go ahead and draw this big curve. For a big smile. Very happy Charlie Brown. And cap it off. There. So we're finally done with his head. Now to draw his body. So I'm going to come right in the center, about right here. Just going to slightly draw an angle line coming out. And then let's connect it with a V. And then let's continue this angle right here to create kind of this X. Then I'm going to bring this out and curve in for a collar. So same thing here. Then let's skip a little bit of space right here, and we're just going to draw a curve coming down for his body. So same thing here. There. And let's bring it down a little bit more for his shirt. Let's say about right there and here, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. Then let's go down for his shorts. So we're just going to come in about right there and then connect it once again. And then the center. So find your center about right here. And we're going to start his legs. So here on this side and this side. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect. Then come back up for his socks. Then for his shoes, let's continue this line down just a little bit more. And then I'm going to come about right here and pop out his shoe. So bring it out past his shorts. Go nice and round and just bring it in. So same thing here. Past his shorts, round it off. And connect. There. And then for some details, right here for his laces, it's just kind of like this little scribble right here. And same thing here. There. Little scribble for the shoelace. And then let's go ahead and we're going to draw his sleeve. So come back right here to his collar area. We're going to pop out this curve, bring it down to about right there, and then bring it in. And then let's just go ahead. We're going to draw a curve right here for his hands. So nice and simple. So same thing here. Bring it down and at the same level, right there, connect, and then curve for his arms. And then for some detail, there's going to be a zigzag right here. So come about right here and I'm just going to zigzag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back up. And then let's thicken this zigzag. There. And let's see here. Since this part is black, I'm just going to go ahead and shade it all in. And if you want the classic, when you shade this part in, you don't have to fill it all in. So it looks like a drawing, right? And then same thing here for his shorts. Or you could just leave it, make it all black. It's all up to you. There. And let's see, last but not least, let's add a little heart right here. Nice and small. To make this my Draw So Cute Charlie Brown. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.